What's up guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I want to show you how to reduce the size of an image. So I have an image on my desktop. Let me just double click on it so you can see that it's a zebra inside a national park. So let's have a look at the properties of this image. So I'm going to right click on it and then click properties. So the properties window is open up, and under the general tabs you're going to see that the file size of this particular image is around 5.24 megabytes, and then the file type is in PNG. I also want to change this from PNG to JPG, and what we need is a web browser and an internet connection. So just open up your web browser and then type in compress to go. Type in compress to go just as I've typed in, and then hit enter. So select the first link. Make sure that the link is www.compresstogo.com, and then click on it. So there are several tools under this web page. You can see compress PDF, compress image, compress. So what we have is an image. We want to compress an image, so click on this compress image, and then you need now to upload your file, your image file, and there are two methods you can do that. One, you can directly drag and drop, and number two, you can just select, click on choose file, go to from device, and then navigate to the location of your image file, and then click open. So depending on the speed of your internet, your image is going to take some time to upload, so that you can start the process of compressing that particular image. So now if you see this green line, know that the upload process is complete. Now it's now up to you to now proceed. I said I want to change the file type from PNG to JPG, so I'm going to click on this button and then choose JPG, and then I'm going to select so there are different compression method. The number one is best quality. So if we select this, this page, the computer will actually try to compress it for you. And then there is smallest file, and then there is the third setting is quality. So I'm going to go for this one, quality, so that I can select around, let's do around 40%. I'm going to reduce compress that image to around by around 60%. So I'm going to choose 40% here, and then next is to click the start button, so that it can start the compressing or reducing the file size. Now you can see the process is complete, and it tells you that the file has been reduced to 360.52 KB. So I'm going to download it. You can download a zip file, but for this case I'm going to download the file. Click on download, and you can see the download process is complete. So let me open it. So it's going directly to the download folder. So I'm going to right click on it and cut, so that I can paste it on my desktop and so that you can have a side-by-side comparison. Now we have this one here. Let me label it as Zebra 1 so that we don't confuse between the two. So I'm going to double click on the first image, the original image, and then let me just drag it towards the right hand side, and then double click to open the second one that we've just compressed. You can see you cannot even tell the difference. The two images look the same. You cannot even tell that we have just reduced the quality or the size of the original image. So if I close it and then have a look at, so this is the original image. If you open it, open the properties, you can see the file size is 500 is 5.24 megabytes, and the file type is PNG. So the second one, JPG, if I right click and click properties, you can see the file has been reduced from 5.24 MB to 360 kilobytes. The file size is now JPG. So that's it, guys. That's how you can actually reduce the size of an image without even having to install a software in your computer. So that's it. See you in the next tutorial.